The Golden Temple was established in Amritsar in the 16th century by Guru Ramdas Sahib, the fourth Sikh Guru. Thousands of visitors pay their respect every month at the Golden Temple, and chances are that you too might be planning to visit it soon. A visit to Punjab, the land of five rivers, is incomplete if you do not include the famed Sri Harmandir Sahib, also known as the Golden Temple, in your itinerary. The serenity and tranquility of the place are only part of the experience. Let's explore what makes this place of worship different from all others. Sikhism was founded in the Punjab by Guru Nanak in the 15th century CE and is a monotheistic religion. Sikhs think religion should be practiced by living in the world and coping with life's everyday problems. Do you know the bravest community in the world? Sikhs are universally recognized as the bravest community in the world. By looking at history, it would be Sikhism because Battle of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Battle of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Strongest and fearless human beings living on earth, they are Sikhs. In Sikhism, they are living in Punjab region. Darbar Sahib, also known as Sri Darbar Sahib or Golden Temple, is named after Hari, God, the temple of God. The Sikhs all over the world daily wish to pay visit to Sri Amritsar and to pay obeisance at Sri Darbar Sahib Amritsar. Guru Arjan Dev Ji, the fifth Nanak, conceived the idea of creating a central place of worship for Sikhs, and he himself designed the architecture of Sri Darbar Sahib Amritsar, the Golden Temple Amritsar. Earlier, the planning to excavate the holy tank Amritsar or Amrit Sarovar was chalked out by Guru Amar Das Ji, the third Nanak, but it was executed by Guru Ramdas Ji under the supervision of Baba Bodha Ji. The land for the site was acquired by the earlier Guru Sahibs on payment or free of cost from the Jamindars, landlords of native villages. The plan to establish a town settlement was also made. Therefore, the construction work on the Sarovar, the tank, and the town started simultaneously in 1570. The work on both projects completed in 1577 AD. The land for the site was bought by the Guru Ramdas Ji on payment from the Jamindars, landlords of native villages. Guru Arjan Dev Ji got its foundation laid by a Muslim saint, Hazrat Mian Mir Ji of Lahore, on 1st of Magh 1645 Bikrami Samvat, December 1588. The construction work was directly supervised by Guru Arjan Dev Ji himself, and he was assisted by the prominent Sikh personalities like Baba Bodha Ji, Bhai Gurdas Ji, Bhai Sahlo Ji, and many other devotees, Sikhs. Maharaja Ranjit Singh, also known as Sher-e-Punjab, Lion of Punjab, was the one who took the initiative to cover it with gold in 1830. About 2 centuries after the building was constructed, around 162 kilograms of gold was used for this, which was worth about 65 lakh at the time. Between 1995 and 1999, the Golden Temple was renovated with 500 kilograms of gold. The value of this quantity of gold would be exceed 140 crore today. The layers of gold the temple was plated with were done by the hands of skilled artistes who hailed from different parts of the country. The gold used to plate the golden temple is 24 karat gold, which much purer than the 22 karat gold. We are familiar with 24 gold is the purest form of gold and is not used in the manufacture of jewelry. While Maharaja Ranjit Singh used only 9 layers of gold in plating the golden temple, a total of 24 were used during the 4-year-long renovation in the 1990s. Built in an interesting way, the Gurudwara is at a level lower than the surrounding land level, teaching the lesson of egalitarianism and humanity. The cost of maintenance of the Golden Temple is reportedly managed entirely through donations from devotees across the world. The tasks of cleaning and maintaining the temple, along with the cooking and serving of the food from the langar, the community kitchen of the Gurudwara that serves meals to all without discrimination, is done by volunteers who offer their service for free. It is no wonder, therefore, that the Harmandir Sahib, fondly and popularly known as the Golden Temple all over the world, receives more than 3 million visitors every month. The love and devotion offered to the temple by the devotees makes it look just as glorious at night as it does during the day. Today, Sikhs are live all over the world are embedded within their local and national communities and remain committed to the core values of spiritual growth and social justice. Sikhs continue to establish gurudwaras with and for their communities, and Sikhs strive to maintain basic aspects of tradition within this context. Sikhs have been in the United States for more than a century now, and they have established themselves as active contributors to civic society. Every day, every Sikh is expected to get up in the morning before dawn. After taking a bath, he or she should meditate on the name of the God. Rise early in the morning and chant the Naam. Worship and adore the Lord. Night and day anxiety shall not afflict you, O Nanak, and your misfortune shall vanish. The following compositions are recited every day: morning Japji Sahib, Jap Sahib, Swaye, Chapai Sahib and Anand Sahib. Evening Rehras. Before bed Sohila Sahib. A Sikh is required to attend Gurudwara, the Sikh temple, as part of their daily routine or as often as possible. The region of Punjab has had many names throughout its history, including Saptasindhu, the Vedic name for the region, which refers to the 7 rivers that flow into the ocean. The rivers were the Saraswati, Indus, Sutlej, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Beas. The region had various other names during ancient times. According to Vedic texts, it was known as Saptasindhu. The Greeks named it Petapotamia. During the Mahabharata and Ramayana, it was called Panchnada and Brahmvrata. The name Punjab comes from the Persian words Panj, five, and Ab, water, meaning land of five rivers. The five rivers are the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej, and Beas, which are all tributaries of the Indus River. However, only the Sutlej, Ravi, and Beas rivers flow in the present-day state of Punjab in India, with the other two rivers now in the state of Punjab in Pakistan. The Sikh tradition, known in Punjabi language as Sikhi, is a relatively young tradition that was founded over 500 years ago in the Punjab region of South Asia. There are more than 25 million Sikhs around the world, which makes Sikhism the world's fifth largest religion. Sikhs first came to the United States in the late 1800s, and there are an estimated 5 lakh Sikhs living in America today. Sikhi teaches a message based on the principle of love and oneness and calls on all followers to be spiritual warriors. Meditation, service, and justice are core aspects of Sikh way of life. Sikhi is a distinct religion tradition that maintains its own distinctive features, including founders, scripture, worship, ceremonies, and traditions.